Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. It's really quick and easy. Open your Snapchat app. Now you need to click this profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down a bit and then you can find this My Friends option in here. So tap on it. Then now you can find your all friends in here. Next, tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Here we can't find any option to delete Snapchat friends at once. Snapchat not provide an option for that. But don't worry, we can remove friends. First you need to hold on the name of your friend you want to remove. Next, you can find this manage friendship option in here. So tap on it. Then you need to click on this remove friend option in here. So tap on that to remove your friend. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.